Now we're going to do an install of a CloudSat3. This is powered by 3 AAA batteries. In order to replace those batteries, you pull the 4 screws that hold the unit to the mounting bracket. And on the back of the unit itself, there are 4 more screws that will allow you to access those batteries and change them out. On the CloudSat device, when you remove the 2 micro Phillips screws that would allow you to access the door, there is an on-off switch right there at the top. You'll make sure that you want to turn the switch to on when you're ready to start using the device. Now let's do the install. When installing the CloudSat3, you want to make sure that you do put the unit where it's facing the sky. On this, we're going to be putting it at the top side of this trailer on the very back. That way we make sure it's secure and sturdy. You'll also notice that it comes with this pad. It is not just for sticking it to, it is also a shock absorbent. So you still want to make sure that you utilize screws to secure the device to whatever you're putting it on. Also, the unit is not intended for live tracking. It only updates 3 times a day, so you want to make sure that you put it on assets that don't move a lot. Other than that, let's mount this thing up and get started. If you have any questions about your install, just give the technical support hotline a call. They can walk you through any troubles that may have arisen. Other than that, have a good day.